Good morning, class, and welcome to CNG 132 Online, the summer edition. And we are in the last few days of the course. I just wanted to cover some topics um, that are important to you. The first one is looking at your overall grade. You can go to assignments and see your scores, but this will not post your grades. And a lot of students come here and do this stop here in assignments, and they don't see their grades totally. When if you go to progress grades, you'll actually see your grades listed and the weight achieved per item. So you say quizzes here, I can see they're worth 5%. Scroll down here, discussions 15%, projects 30%, lab simulations 20%. So if I was trying to boost my test score, or my scores, I'm sorry, my scores in general, I would do a assignment that was worth a higher percentage of the grade to see my score boost. And once again, tests, that's 15% of your grade. You have the opportunity to do the Kaplan and get all your scores up to 100. So that's like a free 15% of your score that you should get over your grade. The importance of doing, let's see, the security policy is for you to understand that many places, small business, home business, usually medium-sized businesses, the larger you get, the more you're going to find them ready with a security policy. But just understanding the basics of security policy will help any business at all. I know this was one of the things I worked on as an IT consultant. Well, that was one of the first things I said, okay, what do you have for security policies? You know, when you're at work, do you use the home computer as your work computer? And if so, maybe you need to write a policy to segregate that and say work computers are for work only. Well, home computers are for home only, so you home stuff, so you avoid overlap within that. Other security policies are how long do you keep data? That's a big one. In my business, I make it up front that in my security policy, I'm trying to think where I have it stored at. Um, but I make it up front that say, hey, look, I don't keep your information. As soon as I'm done with you as a client, I discard your information. And the only information that I do have is a receipt, and that's all I keep. And I started doing that after I really started saying, you know what, I don't want to be responsible for any client's information. So I'm just going to say, okay, as soon as I'm done, I'm just going to keep a Excel sheet, basically a Excel receipt, and that's it. You know, I don't want to be responsible for anything else. So, since we have 5 days left, make sure to go back in activities, look at your assignments that you have turned in. You know, if you're missing something here, definitely get it in. Check your grades. You know, if you're a B trying to get to that A, or if you're just trying to achieve that next grade overall, you know, attack these higher value assignments and get those turned in. Once again, if you're looking to do a little extra credit, hop in the discussions, do the extra credit. Finding me on the internet's real easy. Social engineering, super easy to do. The email scam, I forgot to post that, but I'll do it. Basically, that's just a fraudulent email reflection. I've gotten a lot from PayPal, saying my PayPal accounts has been, I forget what it says, but I know it has to do with my PayPal account, and those are fraudulent. the English is a little off, but when you click them and go to the site, it almost looks real. So I say, okay, maybe I'll just clutter up their. I have enough time. I have like 5-10 minutes to spare. Maybe I'll just clutter up their database with just bad information. And the last one, of course, Wi-Fi. Is it safe? We're not really totally going out like to Starbucks, public places, McDonald's. So that one is just a little bit tougher to do. You know, examine the Wi-Fi's around you. That goes back to I believe Chapter 8 when we're looking at wireless components. You know, really assess the wireless networks around you. You know, are they safe? Let's see, in 2015-16, I ran a pilot program for high schoolers, and really I showed them how to hack Wi-Fi. You know, so I mean, and basically we just followed videos off of YouTube and did it. That's how easy it is. And I think I'll just leave you guys at that. Make sure to get those assignments turned in. See the importance of the stuff you're doing. Don't just see that. Oh, it's just assignments we're doing for grades. It's really relevant things. And if you have any questions, reach out. I'd love to be a resource for you guys and help you along your way.